mud. We're pulling it up, which is what we need. You got muddy paws now.
Uh-oh, here he goes. Woo, so fast. So fast. It's still going.
He's scared.
It's kind of cute. Go on, I'm sorry I fucked your habitat up. But we gotta take the pool down. Okay. Okay, I guess that's far enough away to hopefully not bothered.
Rudy.
Get it.
Like, well, it's smelly. Is it smelly?
Is it nasty? I like how he digs for like a fraction of a second and runs. There we go. Help us out.
We gotta dig it up, Rudy. Thank you for helping, baby.
Hell yeah. Tell you what, manual labor's the real workout. All us white collar pussies working out in the gym. Meanwhile, I'm trying to drag this like 400 pounds of freaking pool liner. Gotta take 2 little rest periods to even do it.